And now it's time for us to kick off our fourth bout. He is making his debut combat sports event, age 33, accompanied by Coach James, representing Lucid BJJ, age 33, in the blue corner, Shehan Joseph. And his opponent, age 33, entering today with a draw at Invictus, accompanied by Coach Kasun De Silva, representing Natural Grappling MMA, Shazeen Anam. Bout 4 is brought to you courtesy of Blue Peak Travels, along with our leisure partner, Pearl Bay Bandaragama, food partner, Arabian Vibes, and healthcare partner, Hemas Hospital.
And he's a strong gas tank, to be honest. And he loves the special kimuras and dash chokes. Also, I wanted to tell you something about Shehan. He's 36 years old, a very explosive personality. Also, he's a strong grappler. He has a very strong grip, proficient in wrestling and submission attacks.
Fight ready?
So I'm looking forward to this one the most, because these are the heavyweights. They're like my division. I'm actually looking forward to training with these two soon. So
when it comes to grappling at heavyweight, Dennis, how is it different from grappling of guys of the lower weight classes?
You are so much slower. This is the main difference. Everything is like in slow motion, and it's almost like you're fighting in mud. If you see like smaller and thinner guys who are not so heavy fight, like bantamweights, lightweight, it's so quick, the scrambles are so on point. But here the heavyweights, they rely not on speed and agility, they rely on just muscle and power. So as you can see, they're like buffaloes just locked into each other at the moment.
Shehan Joseph has that underhook and that collar tie.
Dennis, I was just about to say, previously we saw a lot of youngsters grappling, and then they suddenly started making different moves on the ground, but now you see still they're standing.
Yeah, true. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't matter what is your own weight. It's just very hard to take down a man who is like 100 kg or 120 kg or like 90, So if you are 60 or 70 kg, it's always going to be more easy. So even if, of course, both of these guys are like big and strong, but still they have to manage to get down to the floor another big and strong guy, and this is always very difficult.
Definitely, Dennis. I'm sure both the players here carries the weight of 88 kilograms, and just the body structures are different.
It's true.
And you can see how tough it is to put anyone down in this moment, right?
But I want to see these two gentlemen fight on the floor and see what they are capable of once they are on the floor.
Shehan Joseph representing Lucid Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a new club into the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu scene, coached by Coach James. And Shehan Joseph has been training for 2 years. But Shazeen is no ordinary fighter.
Yes,
I believe you have grappled with him before.
Definitely. Shazeen has taught me a lot of lessons in terms of grappling, because he was coached by one of the best and well-known coaches, Kasun De Silva, from Natural Grappling MMA.
So now, perfect. Sorry to interrupt, but he has a body lock. Now he can work on it. If he's smart, he's going to unbalance. Yes.
And Shazeen Anam gets the takedown. However, referee Ramesh De Silva is trying to reposition this fight, because it is happening inside a boxing ring.
That was sheer power. So once you have that body lock, this is what you are looking for when you are grappling in stand-up. You want to have both arms around your opponent and lock your hands, and then you can easily unbalance your opponents and bring them to the floor. Shahzeen was eventually doing this with like sheer raw power.
This is more than a fight, Senita, because I see it's more sort of a comeback story since Shahzeen Anam has been coming up with a lot. He's been facing a lot of challenges in terms of different types of injuries, and
You had some financial difficulties, if I'm not mistaken.
yes, of course, definitely.
But all through all that adversity, he just continues training Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu because he just loves this sport.
And this is going to be a tough situation for Jihan now, because again, if you have an opponent on top of you in the mounted
And as
position,
someone as
we
heavy
call
as
it,
Shahzeen.
yeah, this is a tough man to get off of you. So if Shahzeen is smart and he keeps a good base, means that he always maintains. That's a window. But he recognized it and he came back. Yeah. It was, no, he did it.
Yes, he
So
did it. And
he
now
did it. And
Shehan
that's it.
Joseph
He's going for
ends up-
Kimura. He's going for a Kimura trap.
Shahzeen is very smart, even though
If
he
he gets
came into
this-
the bottom position. Will Shahzeen Anam get the Kimura?
Jihan needs to.
And he gets the tap! Shahzeen Anam submits Shehan Joseph. 4 minutes, 30 seconds into the fourth bout of Unleashed Absolute Warriors.
Amazing. This is great to see a submission sniper. The moment you leave your neck or your arm, it's a wrap entirely. Shahzeen, you've performed. You've shown us what you've got.
Amazing. Shahzeen was on mount. However, Shehan was very slick on that hip bump and he escaped. However, it's amazing how Shahzeen pulled off that Kimura from bottom position. Bottom close guard, if I'm not mistaken. Amazing stuff. And you know, this is the beauty of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, ladies and gentlemen.
Arm lock.
And on that thought, before we go to the judge's decision,
And as we announce the winner of bout number 4, presenting the award is Mr. John Pereira, representative of Pearl Bay Leisure. And he will be giving the medal along with a gift voucher to Pearl Bay Leisure. And the winner is, by arm lock, red corner, Shahzeen Anam.
ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the winner of the fourth bout, Shahzeen Anam. Shahzeen, the first submission of the night, an Americana from the bottom position. You know, you were on mount, but Shehan was very clever. He hip bumped and he escaped, but you did not let go of that hand. You just cranked it up and you got the submission. Talk to me about that submission. What can you tell me anything about that finish?
First of all, thank God, Alhamdulillah, I have got this opportunity. Second, if anyone wants to say about Shehan, you have to experience fighting him in the ring. I experienced, and I'll tell him he's a monster. Okay? So, kudos to Shehan for taking his fight. And as I let's say, there's no particular move. It's all about the situation, adapting. So much of pressure in the ring, but it's all about how you adapt and wait for the right moment. Keep your head calm. This is like chess, but in a more energy sapping way. So you wait for the moment, make the move. That's it.
Shazim, in the pre-fight interview, you said that you've gone through a lot ahead of this bout. Your last bout was at Highland Fighting Championship, and you lost that bout. After that, you've been through, multiple injuries, many surgeries, and you had financial trouble as well. How does it feel to get this win after all of those adversities, coming back on top?
In all the good times, I say Alhamdulillah, and all the bad times I've gone through, still I say Alhamdulillah, because it has trained me to be who I am. Today, I'm working with the organizing committee. I have no chance even to properly warm up today, but then this is what it is. What you train here is what we show outside. This is the message I want to give. This sport is not just about violence, it's about discipline, respect, and most of all, be thankful and gratitude for everyone.
Shazim, part of your win, part of the reason why you fight is the why. Why do you fight? In the sense, the support that you got from your team today was amazing. What can you tell me about your teammates?
If I do not mention about them, I don't think I deserve to get out of the ring right now. Because I played rugby before, transitioned to this sport with zero martial arts knowledge. Coach Cas De Silva, I know you cannot be in my corner because that's the professional he is. As an organizer, he didn't be here. If he was here, I will be the first person to go and hug him right now because that man has been mentoring me for the past 3 years. My friends, my family, thank you for coming. You guys have been the biggest support for me throughout my life. And everyone, Natural MMA, Slit, boys, kudos to you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shazim Anam.